buddies, I am going to show you what's in my bag, but first, I'm going to show you my watch. So, if you know what time it is, it knows what time. So, it pretends, and then 9:07. Woo! Let's do this! Okay, I'm going to show my bag. Here's my bag. It's so heavy. Here it is. Now, the keychain, see? There we go. Oh! Okay, I gotta move. This is going to be a hard day. I mean hard. Yeah! Pop it! Oh, there you go. Now let's hear you. So, this is my pencil case. I want to make sure that this is my pencil case. There's a little unicorn on it. Little unicorn and little cloud, which has a unicorn. I love unicorns, so let's put it inside. But first, I'm going to show you what's inside. Not just erasers. Pencils! Pencils! These are all of the pencils. Look. Look at them. Now I will show you my erasers. So this is my eraser, and the other rainbow. Let's see this. Okay, this is very, very cool. Let's go. Okay. And then the other pencil case. Okay, I'm going to go back to my proper place and shake. So this is what's inside. I don't know why there's a lot of coloring. Pencils, but they are cool. This one, oh my god. That sometimes happens, but it doesn't happen again. I hope it doesn't happen again. So, this is very cool. Look. And also it all has every color. Oh wait, okay. Okay, here they are, and they got this from Robinson. And having a lot of tickets, so that's it. And also, look at this. Oh, these are multiplication. Oh my god, this is fun. Oh, look at this, look at this. I got some crayons here. Oh, some crayons. These are my crayons. Why don't we have some crayons and colored pens? No, color pencils? Because I love to paint, I love to draw, and I love to do everything that is kind of like drawing. Let's put this in here. There's nothing inside here. So, there's a little secret compartment, but there's nothing here. My whiteboard marker. It's the whiteboard marker. Nothing special about that. But I want you to see it up close. Look at this. Now it's a Twix marker. With, yeah, I'm not going to tell you anymore. Ooh. Close it. Okay, now I'm going to close. Okay, the bag back. And here it is. Whiteboard! See, this is so cool. This is a nice whiteboard for me. And I want you to take a closer look. Closer look. And at the back, you can see math. Here's math. You can see this. This is my name. Look at this. Oh yeah, kindness. Math. Grade 2. Let's go see it too. This is my diary without any name over here. That's funny. So, what am I going to do with the only books? Put it back. Then back, of course. Filipino. Yes, spelling. Filipino spelling. Yeah. So So I'm just going to do some writing. Here's the writing. Oh, put it back. Mappe! My favorite. I love Mappe. It's literally my favorite kind of, this. Subject! Put it back. Oh, wait. Go down. And then I'm going to show you my ESP. ESP. This is going to be so fun. Okay, now I'm just going to do this. Now, the name of my school is B8C. Educational Institution. This is cool. And every notebook has that. And B8C means brain and the heart of a Christian. I'm a Christian. Yeah, this is my watch. You already saw it, so yeah. Here's my Filipino. My Filipino! What do you got to see? Okay, this is my Abiling Panlipunan. This is so fun. When I said Abiling Panlipunan, I said Abiling Panlipunan. English. This me. I have my English notebook here, and I want to say it again. Yes, I was wrong about that, but yeah. That's what I sound when I do something wrong. Science! Let's go science! Science, it's still the BHC notebook. It never changes. Uh-oh. My bag! What are you bag? Okay, the bag's broken. Here you go. Here's my spelling and English notebook. Remember this. I'm already grade 2! Yahoo! This makes me happy. It's grade 2 kindness. Why does this keep bugging me? I'm 6 years old, now I'm in grade 2. Get a stick. Pop it! Okay, can't do this. Really? Really? Why does the bag keep bugging me? I'm going to close it. I closed it. No, I want to. This bag keeps bugging me. I Alright. I didn't put the English spelling notebook inside yet. Ouch. Why does this keep bugging me? Look at this. Oh. This is my water carrier over here. I can't get it out. Oh, there. Water carrier. There's small water inside it. I have lots of keychains, but it's so. I can't. Oh, help! Someone help me! Okay. Hey. Lots and lots. So, I'm going to lie down flat. Phew, I did it. I popped. Woo! These are all my keychains. I'm just going to let you see. Oh, little duckling. Little duckling. It's so cute. With a fried egg. With a fried egg. Why there fried egg? I love fried eggs. So here is pom-pom purin. Little pom-pom purin. See, there's a little pom-pom pudding. I want you to take a little close look. Pom-pom pudding. Pom-pom pudding. So cute. And yes, it's a dog, and there's a dog bone. Oh, what is this? Keep on popping. Oh, I popped it. Come on. Oh, I popped it. Now I'm going to show you this boy that I don't even know. I don't watch it, but over here it looks like there's nothing going on. Dunk, little slam dunk. I don't know. So here's a bow. Here's a bow. She has a bow. So cute. A bow. Now I'm going to see if I have. I got all of these from Rabbington. Yeah, I caught them. I caught all of them. I caught them and all of them. These are really true. This is really true. I got this from a claw machine. And this is cute. And where's here it is. These are all of my keychains. One keychain. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 keychains. Wait. One little. Someone is missing here. There were 5 keychains now. There's something missing. There's someone missing. Right. Someone escaped. Did someone steal it? Yes. No. No one stole it. Let's go. Bye-bye, buddies. They're all inside my bag. Hey, there's nothing inside here. There's really nothing inside here. If you are asking, what's inside the rest? Nothing. So, bye-bye, buddies. And like and subscribe to this video. This is not Facebook. This is YouTube. YouTube. One like to YouTube. Heart. And I want to show you one dance first. Prank. No, I didn't. Okay. If you know the song, I'm just going to do this. Okay, I'll do it again. No! Bye-bye, buddies. Bye! Why do I do this? Love you, buddies. Love you. High five.